6 बॉल में जो जो 6 छक्के मारे हैं आपने, आई थिंक द होल नेशन सेलिब्रेटेड दैट. आपने ऐसे प्लान किया था? वाज इट वेंजेंस, वाज इट गुस्सा? व्हाट वाज इट दैट मेड यू परफॉर्म लाइक दैट?
I think it was a bit of everything. Obviously, had an argument with Flintoff before the over was bowled, and then
Yeah, we saw some verbal exchange there.
it was quite a verbal exchange, and then I was actually pretty angry. It was a moment where it could go wrong also for me,
Yeah.
but I think it made me focus more. And I think after the first 3 sixes, I was able to gauge के bowler कहाँ पर डालने की कोशिश कर रहा है. Every day it's like, when you go to office, you have a good day, some days you have a bad day. Then there's a day in the office where it's probably the best days of your life,
Yeah.
when you get promoted or you start your own company.
Yeah.
So that time, social media was not popular.
Yeah.
I almost see it almost every day. Somebody sends me or I see it on Facebook or whatever. So it's like the value of 6 sixes is more now than that time.
मैं हमेशा ये सोचती हूँ, आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स द क्रिकेटर्स प्रिपेयर अ लॉट फॉर अ मैच, बट किस्मत का क्या रोल होता है? आई मीन व्हाट हैपेंड इन 2024? सारी मैचेस जीते पर फाइनल हम जाके हार गए.
Yeah, I think you need to have a bit of luck.
Yeah, it's very
अगर डेस्टिनी लक नहीं होगा तो फिर तो सभी खेल जाएंगे या सब नहीं खेलेंगे. सो आई फील दैट सही टाइम पे सही चीज़ें होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. व्हेन आई केम इन द इंडियन टीम, 2 spots वर एम्प्टी दैट टाइम. और अगर शायद वो स्पॉट्स अगर एम्प्टी ना होते, शायद मेरी बारी 4-5 साल बाद आती, और मैं भी 4-5 साल बाद मैं परफॉर्म इतना नहीं कर रहा होता. सो आई थिंक राइट टाइम पे राइट चीज़ें होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो मेरे करियर में हुई. एंड बट आई वॉज प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी. माई फादर had prepared me for that opportunity, and I'm definitely a big believer in destiny, and we both believe in luck. Luck is very important, क्योंकि there are days when nothing goes for you, and
Yeah.
there are days where everything hits the middle of your bat. Destiny, luck will only come to you if you work hard to get there. Then only destiny will shine on you, and luck will favor you.
बिल्कुल. एंड द 2011 मैच जो आप बता रहे हैं, ऑफ कोर्स इंडियाज विन ड्यूरिंग द वर्ल्ड कप, he was a man of the tournament, right, at that point of time, and at that time he was also battling with cancer. क्या आप मानते हैं इस बात को कि बच्चों को नजर लग जाती है?
नज़र तो बहुत लगती है. माँ को तो अपना बच्चा हमेशा ही बहुत बेस्ट ही लगता है, बट आई डू बिलीव कि बहुत ज़्यादा नज़र लगती है. एंड बीइंग इन सो मच ऑफ लाइमलाइट एंड because cricket is everything in India. So he was in the eyes of the whole nation. I certainly believe इसको नज़र ही लगा.
See, the thing is that at that time there were too many stories floating. मम्मी का अपना belief है, दोस्तों का अलग belief है. Luckily we had our Guruji who we could follow the true path of being a human. See, I am a big believer in destiny, karma. If something happened to me, maybe I did something past life or something, but intentionally I've never hurt anyone. See, end of the day, it can happen to anyone, and it just happened to me at a wrong time. In the wrong time of my career,
Yeah.
but happened to me right time of my age. Because if I had to go through cancer at a older age, it would have been more difficult for me to come back. I was at the peak of my career, and then that happened. It was unfortunate because it took a lifetime of effort and hard work
To come
and
back.
sweat to come back from there and to play for India, then get dropped, then played, then get dropped. I mean, it's a long, long story which I can't put in 20 minutes. Literally took another life out of me to come back and play again. It's not easy. But what it did was inspired a lot of people who are going through that if he can do it, we can do it too.